Welcome everybody, it's been a while now. I hope you are safe, I hope everyone is alright. In this video I'm gonna show you 7 insane fonts, free fonts that you can use to boost your designs and make them pop. The fonts that I'm gonna share with you are free to use, and all the links, the download links, are going to be in the description of this video. So make sure you will check it after watching this, and also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this yet, because it will help me like a lot. Let's jump right into the video and I will see you after. So the first font that I'm gonna talk about, it's called Neue Maschine or Neue Machina, how I call it, and it's a font made by Pangram and Baugasm. Yeah, the almighty Baugasm. It's like a really futuristic font. It's really awesome. It comes in 7 different weights: ultra light, right, regular, medium, bold, ultra bold, and black. Some of them are free to use, free for commercial use, and the link to download this font will be in the description of this video. As you can see, it's like a really awesome font that has like a basic LED inset, an extended LED inset, some glyphs, so on and so forth. It's a well-made font that you can use in your designs, in, I don't know, poster designs. Maybe you are like a fan of doing acid graphics or new wave artworks. This font, it's like a must-have as a designer in 2020, and yeah, it's free to use, and you will have the download link in the description of this video. Okay, moving forward, Exos display typeface. It's made by Victor Pestowski. It's like a really awesome, really good font, like a really futuristic that you can use and play with it in your designs. I've used it myself a lot. I never got tired of it. It's like a really good font. Like the letters are, look at the A, look at the E, the S. I really dig the X. It's really awesome. Okay, moving forward, the next font is Zyablik by Ivan Pivovarov. I hope I didn't butcher his name. Like, it's a free modular display typeface. It could be like your go-to font when starting designing some posters or like magazines, artworks, or covers. Or it's like a really good font. If you have imagination, you can use it in all sorts of stuff, as you can see on your screen right now. It's like really good font. Yeah, I recommend it. The link will be in the description of this video. Don't forget to check it out. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, because it will help me a lot. It will motivate me to create more and more videos, more and more like interesting videos for you guys. Also, we'll release videos with free content, like free resources like fonts, textures, stuff like that. So yeah, moving forward, the next font is also by Victor Pestowski. It's called Engine, and this one is one of my favorites. It's like really futuristic style font. It's so good. I mean, look at these letters. It's wow, mind-blowing. It's really cool. If you like doing like album, like digital futuristic album artwork, acid graphics or new wave, I have done also an album artwork using like 3 letters from this font. It's like a really good font. Okay, moving forward, the next font is Monument Extended, made by Pangram, the agency that also made the Neue Machina font with Baugasm. It's like an extended sans serif bold or ultra bold stuff that also comes in like different variations. It's like really good for your minimalist poster designs. I've used this font a lot in my Twitch panels. It's like a really good font to play with it, to cut it, to modify it, to distort it, and so on and so forth. It's like a really good font and a minimalist good font for you to use. And yeah, it is free to use, and the link will be in the description of this video. Okay, the next one, the 6th font, is called Ammonite by Daniel Bennett. It's like a really cool like futuristic italic font. The letters are like really cool. You can invert them like only using the outline of the letter and like combine them with the fill letter, maybe like change the dimensions and stuff like that. And it's like a really awesome font that has personality. If you have like ideas, you can do all sorts of stuff with it. Also, the link for this one will be in the description of this video. Okay, moving to the next one, like the final font, it's called Robrotica. It's made by Malte Grajewski, and it's like a futuristic / cyberpunk font. This one is like the most similar to the cyberpunk current, like the new wave, the Neo Tokyo stuff. Like, it's like really awesome. You can create like really insane poster design with it, like an old school retro rave robotic stuff, or like a new acid wave, acid graphics stuff like this one. This font will be also available in the description of this video, so don't forget to check it out and smash that like button if you enjoy the fonts, if you enjoy the font selection. Okay guys, this will conclude today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the font selection. Don't forget to check the description of this video, because all the download links will be over over there. And while you are there, please like this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It will help me like a lot. So yeah, don't forget to check the comment section down below and write me there like what do you think of the fonts that I just gave you. Do you use one already? Which one of those 7 are like your favorite? I will check the comment section and I will reply to each and every one of them. Thank you guys once again. I hope that you are safe. Have a good day and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.